Officials with the food bank say the temporary worker who tested positive for coronavirus was working on the processing line, was wearing personal protective equipment, and was following social distancing guidelines.
The individual that tested positive has not been in our facility for over 2 weeks.
Susan Goodell, CEO of El Pasoans Fighting Hunger, says the worker was last at the food bank on Plaza Circle April 6th through the 8th, and their last day was 3 days before they began to feel ill.
Given the many safety protocols that we have established here and maintain, the health department and others are saying that we are extremely low risk of there being an incidence being passed on here at the food bank.
Goodell says they will not be making any changes to the protocol as the food bank is following strict guidelines to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Goodell says personnel temperatures are checked before entering the building. All staff and volunteers wear personal protective gear. They follow social distancing guidelines. Surface areas are cleaned throughout the day, and the sites are also deep cleaned every weekend. And when those in need come to pick up the food is placed in the trunk of people's cars.
We have consistently maintained those protocols, and we intend to maintain them in the future as we ensure that this community has access to emergency food, not only for the people who live in poverty pre-COVID, but for the people who have fallen into poverty due to job loss.
Goodell says officials with the City Department of Health did go to the food bank where that worker tested positive and verified they were following social distancing guidelines. Shelby Montgomery, ABC 7.